Discover nature's majesty. Top 10 breathtaking waterfalls. Around the globe, drone shorts and travel guide. Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on a journey to witness the sheer beauty and power of some of the world's most breathtaking waterfalls. Join us as we explore these natural wonders from a bird's eye view, captured by stunning drone shots. Pack your bags, as we also provide you with a travel guide to make your visit to these majestic waterfalls an unforgettable experience. Number 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Soar over the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, cascading 3,212 feet down Ollantaytambo. Marvel at the misty clouds surrounding the breathtaking Angel Falls. Travel Guide. Accessible by air and river, Angel Falls offers an awe-inspiring adventure through Venezuela's Canaima National Park. Number 2. Niagara Falls, USA, Canada. Witness the power of the Niagara River as it plunges over the American and Horseshoe Falls. Feel the mist on your face as you hover above this iconic natural wonder. Explore both the American and Canadian sides, experiencing the falls from various perspectives. Don't miss the thrilling Maid of the Mist boat tour. Number 3. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Capture the immense beauty of Iguazu Falls, a series of 275 waterfalls straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil. Watch the water cascade into the lush, green surroundings. Explore the national parks on both sides for diverse views. Take a boat ride to feel the power of the falls up close. Number 4. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Hover above the smoke that thunders as the Zambezi River plummets into the Batoka Gorge. Experience the vastness of Victoria Falls from a unique aerial perspective. Visit the falls during the dry season for optimal visibility. Enjoy activities like bungee jumping or a helicopter tour for an adrenaline rush. Number 5. Kayatur Falls, Guyana. Soak in the breathtaking views of Kayatur Falls, nestled in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Witness the water plunge 741 feet into the Potaro River Gorge. Travel Guide. Journey through the untouched wilderness of Guyana to reach Kayatur Falls. Explore the surrounding wildlife and vibrant flora. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Number 6. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia. Glide above the interconnected lakes and waterfalls of Plitvice Lakes National Park. Showcasing stunning emerald green waters amidst lush forests. Wander the wooden walkways to explore the 16 cascading lakes. Visit during different seasons for unique perspectives. Number 7. Gullfoss, Iceland. Soar over the Golden Waterfall as the Fita River rushes into a deep canyon, creating a spectacular double-tiered cascade. Travel Guide. Experience the beauty of Gullfoss as part of the popular Golden Circle route. Visit during winter for a frozen wonderland. Number 8. Havasu Falls, USA. Drone shots. Hover over the turquoise waters of Havasu Falls, nestled within the Grand Canyon. Admire the contrast of red rocks against the vibrant blue hues. Plan a challenging trek to the Havasu Falls, navigating the Havasupai Reservation. Permits are required for this unique adventure. Number 9. Dishan Waterfall, China, Vietnam. Capture the ethereal beauty of Dishan Waterfall, straddling the border of China and Vietnam. Marvel at the lush surroundings and the three-tiered cascade. Explore the picturesque landscapes surrounding Dishan Waterfall and consider a boat tour to experience its grandeur up close. Number 10. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. Explore the remote beauty of Sutherland Falls, cascading 11904 feet down the cliffs of Fjordland National Park. Witness the water spray against the rugged terrain. Embark on the Milford Track to reach Sutherland Falls, surrounded by New Zealand's breathtaking fjords and alpine scenery. Number 11. Jog Falls, India. Soar over the majestic Jog Falls, located in the lush Western Ghats. Witness the Sharavathi River plunge 830 feet in a single dramatic drop. Visit during the monsoon season for the most spectacular flow. Explore nearby viewpoints and the ancient temples in the region. Number 12. Seljalandsfoss, Iceland. Glide around Seljalandsfoss, a stunning waterfall that allows you to walk behind the cascading water. Capture the magic of the falls against the Icelandic landscape. Combine a visit to Seljalandsfoss with other nearby waterfalls along the south coast. Be prepared for a refreshing mist if you venture behind the falls. Number 13. Kuang Si Falls, Laos. Explore the turquoise pools and cascading tears of Kuang Si Falls in the heart of the Laotian jungle. Marvel at the vibrant colors and lush surroundings. Take a short trip from Luang Prabang to reach Kuang Si Falls. Don't forget to swim in the natural pools and visit the nearby Bear Rescue Center. Number 14. Rhine Falls, Switzerland. Hover over the largest waterfall in Europe, Rhine Falls, where the Rhine River tumbles over a 75-foot high and 492-foot wide ledge. Capture the sheer force and beauty. Accessible from Zurich, explore the well-maintained viewing platforms. Consider taking a boat trip to get closer to the falls for a unique perspective. Number 15. Ban Giok Day Tien Falls, Vietnam, China. Soak in the stunning beauty of Ban Giok Day Tien Falls, straddling the border of Vietnam and China. Capture the breathtaking panorama of the twin waterfalls. Plan a trip to the northeastern border of Vietnam during the rainy season for the most impressive flow. Explore the surrounding landscapes and local culture. Conclusion. Nature's grandeur knows no bounds, and these waterfalls are testament to that. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply awe-inspiring beauty, these natural wonders offer an experience of a lifetime. So pack your bags, embark on the journey, and let the beauty of these waterfalls leave you breathless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel content. Until next time, happy exploring! Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.